swearing in, and in his reaction, Rajnikant said it's a historic moment. He also congratulated Narendra Modi. Let's listen into what he said.
Yeah, it is a very historic event, and definitely I congratulate Prime Minister Modi ji for consecutive third time becoming Prime Minister. It is a record.
Let's go back to our reporters. Sabyasachi, Rajnikant is also going to attend the swearing in. We've been, of course, breaking down details of that list that has gone out. We have foreign dignitaries, you have special guests and personalities, famous personalities in their respective fields. One of them also is Rajnikant. Responding to the invite, he says it's historic and that he congratulates Narendra Modi.
Well, absolutely. The BJP government has not only invited people from the foreign dignitaries, but people from different fields are going to be part of Prime Minister's 3.0 oath ceremony. Workers who have been working for the Central Vista project, workers who have been working for Vande Bharat, as well as metros, sanitation workers, people from the transgenders community, and also beneficiaries of the central government scheme. So people from different fields would be present at Prime Minister Narendra Modi's oath ceremony. So would be Rajnikant from the film background. Rajnikant would be present out there. He said that it's a historic day. See, definitely it's a historic day for the BJP government because they have equaled the record of Jawaharlal Nehru to form the government for the third consecutive time. And the BJP have been extremely confident, and we had seen the body language of Prime Minister Narendra Modi as well as the other minister designate who was present who were present inside his residence. All of them were extremely confident. The main action will take place tomorrow once the cabinet portfolios would be decided, after which the Council of Ministers would be decided. But this would be the key focus of all the NDA allies right from the beginning.
All right, Sabyasachi, stay on with us. We also have